G'day guys, we've got a calculus question for you today where we've got to evaluate the change in y for a given change in x when x equals 2. So first off, when we've got a question like this, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So we're going to start off by finding dy dx. Now this is going to be equal to 3x squared minus 4x. Cool. Now what we can do now is we can just use a little bit of algebra to find dy by multiplying both sides by dx. So this is just a little trick to this problem. We can go dy is equal to, let's just put this in a little bracket of its own, 3x squared, or the derivative of y with respect to x, times by, because this will be evaluated when x is equal to, in this case, 2, multiplied by dx. So I just multiply both sides by dx and take it over to the other side. So what I can do now is this is not a very complicated question from here. I can simply evaluate it. I can say, well, the change in y is going to be equal to this evaluated when x equals 2. So 3 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2. And then I'm going to multiply all of that by the change in x, which is 0.2. So I'm going to multiply it by 2 over 10 to make my life a little bit easier. Cool. So what do we have here? We've got 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So dy is going to be equal to 8 over 10 or 0.8. Cool. So basically, guys, this isn't a very complicated problem if we understand how to manipulate our derivative that we get initially. Now, you'll notice that this also, I don't know if you've done any questions that involve linear approximations or incremental change, but if you have done some of them, you're going to notice that this method shares a lot of similarities with this method, where we have the change in y can be approximated by a derivative of y with respect to x evaluated at a particular point x times by dx. So this is like the method of incremental change, or you've got linear approximations. So this can be done for small change, and then this is always like for small changes in x. So you can see that the method is basically the same. A question like this in an exam is just trying to tease out the students who basically have never seen the dx be multiplied over to the other side. But this is just a video saying that to you guys it can be, and if you see a question like this, this is the pretty simple method that you can use to solve it. So I hope the video helped, guys, just as a bit of a refresher. But if it did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, whatever you do on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time, and until next time, keep enjoying your maths.